My son would be so sad. Both of my sons would be so sad. One is studying aerospace engineering. So this is really, like, not right.
That is the pathetic.
It is the most pathetic airplane ever. Feast your eyes on this.
Altercation on the runway.
You didn't even make it.
And I'm encouraged on my own time to create this beautiful,
Here it is.
sleek, aerodynamic airplane.
All right, we're gonna see it now. Here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hopeless.
Okay. All right, we're gonna shut down now.
But what we discovered is I showed the boys to this last night, and it flew. But Dan goes, it actually flies better this way. And we tested it, and boy, does this baby fly now.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! I was no.
It was that whole time.
Okay. Were they rainy?
Well, you didn't get negative feet this time.
No, but I didn't get like impressive feet either.
All right. Yeah.
All right, go for it, Brett.
Okay, go ahead, Brett.
Look at that, Andy.
Oh, that wasn't far.
Here.
Whoa. Nice. It's not going to go well, I'm sure. Yeah. See, this is just not working.
Size me.
Oh, that's shorter.
So
You hit the wall.
My best. Okay.
Oh my gosh, that might be it.
Oh, I hope so.
That might be it.
Go,
She's right in front of that other airplane.
Cheat. Go, Heather. Go.
You go ahead and cheat.
Here we go. Oh, that one did not do it. Here we go. Here we go. Last one.
Focus.
It went for...
It went into the HR office. It was trying to hide.
This way? From right here? Oops, it crashed. I have like the shortest one on here. Oh, it nosedived.
Wait, there's people. What if I get them in the eye?
Get him.
I might. Ready? Let's see.
All right.